So here we are, the blizzard of 13. The monster blizzard of 13. Yes. Here's Ruth trying to dig out.
We'll see you in the spring.
Yeah, because we've got a pile here. So, coming down here, oh nice. You see, that's the lamppost that my bauble was hanging from. You can hardly tell where it is. And you can see where the snow came up to. Came way up the door there. And here's the snowblower because I'm in the middle of doing that, but I took a wee break. Let Ruth do some more shoveling, you know. So, the snow's still coming down. The snow is still coming down and we've all got our snowblowers going. And the wind is still gusting. And you can see where the snowblower blew all the snow up the tree. But and look, there's a snow on top of the arborvitaes. And there's Ruth digging us out. Very pretty if I wasn't having to, like, you know, deal with this.